easy to understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces, and we'll help you understand it step by step. You'll get to see model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. These interactive tools will help you see how shapes work and how to calculate their areas in real-world situations. This is a space where you can ask questions, try new things, and learn in a fun way. Are you ready to discover how awesome math can be? Let's get started.
All right, let's get started again. You're welcome to Mathematics Clinic. I still remain your Mathematics Clinic teacher. And today, we want to look at total surface area of a cube. Can we see that? A cube. Do you still remember a cube is a prism? Yes, it's a prism because the top and the bottom has the same shape. And every other side is giving you like a rectangle. Can you see that? And that is why it is a prism. And you remember the properties of a cube. That a cube has how many faces? It has 6 faces. It has 12 edges. And it has 8 vertices. But what we are going to do today is looking at the total surface areas of this shape. And if you look at the board here, I have a drawing of a cube. Can you see drawing of a cube? Now, if I unfold this drawing, it's going to give me the net of a cube. Can you see that? It means a cube has 6 faces. And where are the 6 faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A cube has 6 faces. Now, what do we want to do tonight? We want to look at the total surface area of this cube. We want to look at the total surface areas of this cube. If you look at each of this cube, each of these faces look like a square. It looks like a square. That means we are going to have, how many squares are we going to have in a cube? Good. We are going to have 6 squares. So, in finding the total surface area of a cube now, don't forget that areas of a square is what? Is L square. So that means areas of the second one to be what? L square, L square, L square, L square, L square. And in finding the total surface areas of this cube, it means we are going to add the areas of the 6 squares together. And that will become 6L square. 6L square. That becomes 6L square. So that means the total surface area of a cube is 6L square. Now, this square you are seeing with the measurement I have with me is 10 centimeter. It's 10 centimeter. So that means the L is what? The L here is 10 centimeter. And this is also 2 centimeter. This also is also 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. Everything is 10 centimeter because the area, because all sides on a what? On a square are the same. The same thing is applicable to a cube. Once we call it a cube, that means everything is what? Is going to be the same thing, and which we call the length. So in getting total surface areas of this now, this will become 6 multiplied by our length, L, which is equal to 10. That will be 10 square. So when you take this now, that will be 6 multiplied by 10 centimeter square. That is 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, which will give us 100 centimeter square. So 6 multiplied by this, that will give us 600 centimeter square. So the total surface areas of this now is 600 centimeter square. And why? Even if you are looking at the areas of this is just 100 centimeter square. And when you had 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, Of course, that will give us 600. And that is why the total surface areas of these is 600 centimeter squared. Now, the second thing we want to do here is that we want to look for the volume of this cube. What is the volume of a cube? The formula for calculating volumes of a cube is equals L cube. L cube. So that means this will become 10 centimeter to the power of what? 3. So, and that will give us what? 10 centimeter to the power of 3. That's 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. And that will give us 1000 centimeter cube. And that is why the unit of area is square, and unit of volume is what? Is measured in what? In cube. Can we see that now? Can we see that? That's good. That's good. So that is 100 centimeter cube. I'm going to leave you with these two exercises. You solve these two and put your answer under the comment section. Number 1, if length of a cube is 5 centimeter, what is the total surface area? Number 2, if L is 15 centimeter. Number 3, if L is 20 centimeter. So find the total surface area of each of the shape and put your answer in the comment section. That is how far we can go on how to find total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube is equals 6L squared. Total surface area of a cube is 6L squared. 6L squared. Volume of a cube is L cube. L to the power of 3. See you next time in our mathematics clinic again. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mathematics Clinic, where learning math is fun, exciting, and easy to understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces, and we'll help you understand it step by step. You'll get to see model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares,